All aboard the Tech News Games and Deals caboose. Tech News. Samsung S9 camera trailers continue, this time showing larger lensed cameras, tracking, stickers, and some sort of like heart feature. The trailer followed others which showcase fast-moving targets, slow motion, low-light night scenes, and animated faces. Samsung's S8 Oreo update rollout was paused as some phones would suddenly restart. Fixes for the issue are in progress in efforts to continue the rollout. iOS devices crash when two symbols from a certain font are received in apps including Mail, Messages, and many social apps. iWatch OS to Macs are affected. Hyperloop feasibility study is greenlit by Illinois and Ohio agencies. The goal is connecting Chicago to Cleveland in 28 minutes. No expected timeframes were given. Games.Steam's Lunar New Year's sale lasts from February 15th through 19th. ARK is 67% off, Left 4 Dead 2 90% off, Watch Dogs 2 66% off. Many titles are now under $10 or $5 and future deals will be added. Trion Worlds is also on the discount wagon of up to 70% off plus free loot, double XP, and more. Victoria 2 strategy game challenges you to build, colonize, control the sea, and deploy your diplomacy. 75% off for $5. Rainbow Six Siege's free weekend is still going, in addition to a 30% off on the Advanced Edition at Steam. OverWatch's free weekend is also still available, and over on the PTR, Doomfist and May get a few buffs, while Sombra gets a list of changes. Past Cure releases a downloadable demo on Steam. Choose between action, stealth, or time manipulation and astral projection to make your way through this dark thriller-style game. Full release February 23rd. Gears of War 3 gets 2 map packs free, unlocked on the Xbox Store. Kingdom Come Deliverance gets an unlimited save mod with 2 modes. Sea of Thieves stress test for Xbox insiders and closed beta testers is February 16th through 18th. Deals. Amazon has the N30 arcade stick for Nintendo Switch at 37% off for $50. Amazon pre-ordering Bayonetta 2 gets you 20% off. Amazon has the Corsair Strafe mechanical gaming keyboard at 30% off for $70. Links and news sources in the description below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like or subscribe.